Hey guys, recreating famous logos can be a great exercise in mastering the software. Today we're going to use CorelDraw on Mac to recreate Adidas logo. It's rather simple and beginner friendly. Simply use a shape tool. So in our case, that's the rectangle. We need to draw one long rectangle like this. We're going to fill it with color. So I want this to be completely black. And for the line, I actually don't need a line at all. So we don't need to worry about outline of it. So I change to none. And with this, I will make simply 2 more copies of that. If you hold Command or Control on your keyboard while dragging the shape around, instead of moving this out, you will make a perfect copy. Now we need to align this nicely, so be sure that your snapping options are on. All of the snapping, that will be helpful while you're aligning your objects, alright? So I will also zoom in a bit. Alright, I select all 3. Now in the alignment panel, I align them to the center vertically, like that. And we can also distribute them, but in our case, I need to push them a bit closer to each other. Alright, and with that we're going to modify them slightly. So 2 we move down a little bit, and the last one even lower, something like that. Select all of them, and now we're going to rotate them. We need to rotate them 30 degrees, so we can use this rotation box at the top. Simply type 30, hit enter, and here we are. Now we simply need to cut down the bottom part of this by using another shape. That will be the easiest way. So if I put the shape here, I'll put some color in, and as you can see, it's almost like an Adidas logo, right? So now it's time for some final changes, but in my case, I'm happy with the result, and I need to use that red shape to cut out the bottom part from those 3 elements. So first I will select them both by holding Shift. I'm going to unite them into just one shape. Even though they're not touching each other, we can combine them. Done. And now select top and the bottom. And now we're going to select the second action here, cut. And I can move this away because the bottom part was cut already. And we very quickly recreate the famous Adidas logo by drawing 3 rectangles, rotating them, and cutting the bottom part. I hope this tutorial was a great exercise for you, and I will see you in the next video.